With the Cosmos Quasar, we created a bidirectional access of communication between execution engines on the same blockchain. So a true merge between Cosmos and the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM, needs a bidirectional pathway of messages between the EVM module and the rest of the Cosmos SDK modules. For example, on the Ethermint Evmos chain, one should be able to send a Cosmos transaction through a Cosmos wallet like Kepler and execute an EVM transaction. However, Quasar is not limited to this interaction. Conversely, one should be able to send a transaction that is started from the Ethereum virtual machine through an EVM wallet like MetaMask and is executed by Cosmos modules with the transaction receipt being kept by the EVM. And today we will demo the latter. We will submit a Cosmos SDK governance proposal through an EVM smart contract. This is an interface that knows how to encode Cosmos SDK messages. The submit proposal message needs a proposer, which is the BEC32 equivalent of the EVM hex-encoded address that we will use for signing the EVM transaction. And we are using our cutting-edge Mythos chain to demonstrate this feature, to which we are connected with MetaMask. We will make an initial deposit of 1 myth for this proposal, and the content will be a text proposal with a title and description. Do you want Quasar on your chain? Bidirectional communication Cosmos to EVM and back. Now this message was encoded and the resulting bytes will be sent to a smart contract deployed on Mythos, which is this Cosmos SDK proxy contract that uses the Cosmos SDK precompile to execute any Cosmos message, and we will use the send message method. I have programmed this Cosmos SDK precompile myself, and I can offer it to any Ethermint chain, especially Evmos, should the community want it. And on this chain, the precompile lives at this address. This is the Cosmos Explorer for Mythos, and we see 7 other governance proposals at this time. So let's make the transaction. And we see it has been included in the chain, so we can go to the block explorer and see the transaction. We used the send message method, and now we can go to the Cosmos Explorer and we see our proposal on chain, proposal number 8, that we have submitted through the EVM module. Today you saw that Ethermint Evmos EVM contracts can execute Cosmos transactions. Modules that you can call from the EVM are the ERC20 module, the governance module, inter-blockchain communication or IBC, the cron or epochs module, the event module, and in the future Quasar will be used by Enbridge and IBC for executing any Cosmos message from remote chains, and by Cosmos for exposing the same to COSMWASM contracts. Join the Mythos Discord for keeping up with our cutting-edge experiments and testing.